No. What? 2. It was 4 a little while ago. You just had a birthday, didn't you? Yeah, did you blow out your candles?
Play with this instead.
Uh-oh, it's too windy for the cake.
Right from Michael's yard. He's got the most beautiful.
Look at that.
Okay.
Annie
You
lights
got
the candles
the thistles
for
and
me.
Okay, start singing. Oh, Annie.
One more. Hi. Yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grandma. And Grandma.
Say one more time.
Everybody.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grandma.
Beautiful.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh, I cannot blow that all.
Watch
Yes,
it
you
blow.
The wind will help you.
Make a wish.
Grandma blow. Watch Oma blow.
One side at a time.
Make a wish.
Hurry, make a wish. They're going out. I blow it. Yeah.
Wish for 11
I'm
more
gonna
years.
put you down, okay? You're too heavy for me.
Let's
Need a log?
wish for 11.
Oh, but one more.
Help her.
Yay.
Oh, this one.
Uh-oh.
Help her.
Way to go.
Oh, I thought they were trick ones because they didn't come back. I thought they were coming back.
Maybe they are.
No, they aren't. But they kept coming back. Look.